Hello everyone, welcome back to another video in the Your Questions Answered series, where your questions are answered. And today's question is, how do I make an account in Scratch? Which you may think, this is simple, but if you want to ask a question, tell me in the comments below. If you like this series, make sure to click that like button. And if you want to become the Scratch Master, smash that subscribe button. Now let's get started. If you're already logged in, you already have an account. You don't need to learn how to make one. Just go in and sign out. And then click Join Scratch. When you click Join Scratch, it wants you to create a username. Which for a username, you could do like 3 letters of your first name, and then 3 letters of your last name, and then some numbers. That's one idea, but I'm just gonna do my regular. And now for the password. You're gonna use a password generator. Like if you go to DinoPass, it gets pretty good ones. Which, if you press a simple password, you'll get passwords like just 2 words and then a couple numbers. Which those are still a password, which it is still harder to guess. But a strong password is harder to remember. Like, A's are usually ats and A's, and I's are usually exclamation marks. Which I'm gonna do a simple one, Wacky Red 83. And if you put like R capital letter, every time you log into your account, you have to make sure that's capital. So if you want it to be easier, do no capitals. If you want it to be harder to guess, do the first word capital and the second word. And now type it in again. And if someone else is watching you make an account, make sure to uncheck this box. Now press next. Now for what country you live in, you enter your own country. If you live in the Bahamas, you click that. If you live in the United Kingdom, click that. It's a whole long list. The most common countries are above. The user in the top, and then it goes A, B, C, G, and all the way to Z. Basically alphabetical order. And now press next once you've chosen your country. When were you born? Remember, this information will be kept private. You enter what month you were born, and then what year you were born. Which you may have been born June in 1955. They just want to know, like, what age range is using Scratch. You do your gender. You choose male or female. Do not choose non-binary or another gender. You could choose prefer not to say if your parents don't want you to tell the gender. And in your email, you have to enter this to share projects with the world. Which email? Let's enter the email. And now press create your account. And your account is created. You can create projects and save them on your account, but you cannot share them. So if you forget your email, click the confirm your email button, or click having trouble. Now go to gmail.com and you'll find it there. And then once you go to Gmail, you find an email with confirm your Scratch account, and in the email will be no reply at scratch.mit.edu with no icon. And then press this little button here, confirm my email address, which now you are officially in Scratch. Now make sure to watch some of my series, like in the Scratch Help official series, like the main series. I'll have beginner and intermediate tutorials. Which beginner are for if you done some in Scratch, but not a ton. Intermediate is you have a pretty good amount of experience, but you mostly want ideas. And advanced is if you want to go really far, which that's coming soon, so stay tuned. If you want to see advanced, put it down in the comments. Thanks for watching, and make sure to drop a like and subscribe. Bye.